is the time of the year when you'll start getting these kind of messages on your phone. And this is when different ads, marketing schemes induce an idea into your mind that you need a new phone. And you easily buy that idea that your phone is about to die soon. I understand that majorly the battery is impacted and the capacity degrades over time while you're using it. But you know what? You can easily change the battery of your older phone. I changed my battery of Pixel 7. No, it wasn't a random decision, but actually I woke up with a swollen battery one day, and luckily I found this repair program running. I just called Google support and later got it replaced from the authorized Google center. So yes, this one is free of cost. But even though if you have to purchase a new one, it is much cheaper than buying any new phone. And no, don't think about changing it on your own. I mean, you can still do it, but it is not worth taking the risk because you need to remove the screen panel in order to replace your battery. So don't try this at home. But even if you want to get it replaced, it won't cost much and it is a very easy process. Now let's talk about the experience after I replaced my battery. So first thing that I did after replacing my battery, I factory resetted my phone to make sure that the phone recalibrates everything and it understands that there's no battery crunch now. And you won't believe, it's an amazing experience after I've changed my battery. I'm getting an insane screen on time of 7+ hours with the mixed usage of Wi-Fi plus mobile data. And overall also I'm getting 6+ hours every day. Just mind it, it is a 2-year older phone. Almost 2.5 years I've been using this one and it feels like a new one now. And this kind of SOT on an older phone is way better than you think. When I'm out, I don't even have to think about the charging or battery situation of my phone. I easily get to the end of the day. And with casual usage, it can easily go to the next day as well. And I can say the way Android 16 has recalibrated with the phone and the new battery, the phone's performance is enhanced. As the older battery also heats up more while charging or during heavy tasks or app usage. And I can easily bet I'll be able to use this phone for 5 years at least. Pixel 7 is 3 years older than the latest Pixel 10 and it is still relevant. It actually has almost all the AI and OS features that Pixel 10 has. And when it comes to Google Gemini, you're not missing out on anything. If it's about summarizing your article or any video, or maybe also talking to Gemini live, asking random questions, like I just asked it to describe what all it can see and it easily identified the objects and the book and created a keep notes for me with the summary of this book. What else you want? Pixel 7 still will be getting Android 17 this year and Android 18 next year. And practically this idea of using your old phone or maybe changing your battery or repairing it holds to any other smartphone as well, until unless you have damaged or maybe lost your phone. Otherwise, you can still use your older phone. And the way I see things, even if you change the battery of Pixel 7 twice or thrice, you'll still save a lot of money when compared to buying a new phone. So keep watching and subscribe to find the interesting future videos on this channel. See you in the next video.